Hey, this is Where the Waffles here. I'm going to be showing you another Skate 3 video. So, here we have this place. First you have to go to locations, Downtown Industry, go to Cube Tower. Okay, once you get here, you turn this way. So back towards this way. It's in the light. You'll see Crystal Towers, the big hanging things from there. You go this way, turn your right here. Stupid lady. Then you go this way. Go through the bunch of area where they have all the orange, brown, and gray things. Come down here. Just keep on going this way. And once you get down here, get off your board. See right here, it's by the bench, and it's right by the sign, and it's over here by the bushes. Come behind here, there's a big water feature, and you know, when you jump into water, you always float, but I found a way to get underneath. See, at the edge, the corner where my board is right there, you need to fall right there where it just went. So best thing to do is just fall off, and bam, look, you're underneath. And see, I'm underneath the water, obviously. See, and once you go under, you can see. See, there's the one length right there. That's where it is. And if you need to get out, just jump up. Bam, and it'll teleport you where you were last. See, but when you do that, that doesn't work. So you have to make sure you always go into the waterfall part. So it drops you down underneath it. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and like.